Isn't this adorable? And you can make your own ice ornament centerpiece. All you need is a balloon, some tin foil, glitter if you want, and a bowl, and of course a freezer. So how we made this work was just simply get a balloon, and I'm sure everyone's got one lying around, used a funnel, and then we put some glitter inside. I wanted to see if it would have that kind of same shimmer as kind of like a snow globe. So we put that in, we filled it with water, and I held on tight at the faucet because of course I didn't want the water popping out with all the glitter. You just tie it off, shook it up a little bit, I put it in a bowl and stuck it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Then I took it out and flipped it over into an empty ice cube tray so the neck was sitting in the tray hole. Now, because I flipped it over, the water froze in the neck of the balloon and it made it look like that ornament top. And peeling the balloon off was really quite easy. It just came straight off. So then what I did is I took some foil, I just wrapped it around that top part and then made that mold so that I could see where I needed to cut. I just took my scissors and I kind of cut around that shape and then I just fit it back over top. Next I took some foil and I just twisted it around and made it kind of a loop so that I could put it on top of the ornament. And then I bent the foil so it was almost like a circle, and then when I opened it, it just sat right on the top of the ornament. So I didn't have to glue it or anything. And look how amazing this looks on something like an appetizer tray or even as a centerpiece on your table. It lasts a long time because it is really solid, but it gives that kind of nice holiday glow. So if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do, and don't forget to subscribe because we make amazing crafts every season that I know you'll enjoy.